Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes Millville full guide. Preheat a griddle to medium heat and mix dry ingredients in one bowl and wet in another before combining gently to avoid overmixing. Use a 1/4 cup scoop per pancake. Cook until bubbles form, then flip once. Keep pancakes warm in a low oven while finishing the batch. Serve with butter and maple syrup for best results. Gather simple ingredients: flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and butter. Whisk dry ingredients thoroughly to distribute baking powder evenly. Whisk wet ingredients separately until combined, then fold into dry mixture until just moistened to keep pancakes fluffy. Let batter rest 5 to 10 minutes for better texture. Use whole milk or 2% for flavor and moisture. Melted butter adds richness without weighing down batter. Measure with digital scales or cups for consistent results. Quick recommendation: if you like small comforts, try the socks we used here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future recipes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and enjoy reliable gear while you cook. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick griddle to medium and lightly grease with butter or oil. Temperature control prevents burning. Pour batter with a 1/4 cup scoop and watch for bubbles forming on the surface before flipping once. Flip gently and cook until golden brown on both sides. Keep finished pancakes in a low oven at 200 degrees F to stay warm. Serve immediately with syrup, fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Top with butter and warm maple syrup for classic taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.